Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you delete or close your Cash App account. So guys, if you want to delete your Cash App account, so we can do it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPad and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, here is the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then guys, you may open your Cash App and you may log in or sign in your Cash App account. And after this, you may click here on your profile icon and then you may click here on sport and after the guys here you may see that here is the option of search, so you may click here and you may write here close your Cash App account, so you may write here and then guys here you may see that confirms that you want to close your Cash App account. So when you do here on confirm, then guys you may put your some verification and then guys your account will be permanently closed, and after that guys you will not be able to get back your account. So guys, by this method you can delete or close permanently your Cash App account easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.